Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to channel where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles.
Yes, I'm Daniel, and this is my amazing friend, Sarah.
Hi, everyone. Today we're learning real English conversation at the airport.
Airport? Oh, the airport. Big planes, long lines, and sometimes lost luggage.
Yes, Daniel. But don't worry, after today, you'll know exactly how to talk at the airport like a real traveler.
So friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your English learning buddies.
Are you ready to fly with English today?
Let's go!
So, Daniel, have you ever been to the airport before?
Oh yes, many times. But one time, I almost missed my flight
What? Why?
because I was sleeping at the gate.
Oh no, Daniel. Gate means the place where passengers wait to get on the plane.
Yes, and when the gate number changed, I didn't hear the announcement.
Oh, Daniel. Friends, always listen to airport announcements. They say things like, Flight 505 is now boarding at Gate 7.
Exactly. And what about you, Sarah?
Oh, I love airports. The smell of coffee, the sound of suitcases, and people saying goodbye and hello.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Yes, traveling makes me happy, and today we'll help everyone travel in English.
Perfect. Let's check in to learning.
Okay, friends, imagine this. Sarah and Daniel are at the airport ready to fly to London.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
We're flying to London.
May I see your passports, please?
Sure, here you go.
And here's our luggage.
Luggage means our bags and suitcases.
Yes, big or small, all your travel bags are luggage. Thank you. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you. What's our gate number?
Gate 12. The flight departs at 9:30. Departs means leaves.
So the plane leaves at 9:30. Got it.
Please go to security check next.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, look, Sarah. Everyone is putting their bags on that moving belt.
Yes, that's the security check area.
What's that?
Security check is where they check your bags and body for safety.
Oh, I see. So I take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes, belt, and put your phone in the tray.
Okay. I hope my snacks are safe.
Daniel, snacks are okay, but no big liquids.
Security officer. Excuse me, sir. Please remove your laptop from the bag. Oh, sorry. Here you go. Thank you. You're all good.
Great job, Daniel. You passed security. Whew.
That was scary.
Daniel, did you hear that? That's our flight.
Yes. It says, now boarding. What does boarding mean?
Boarding means people are getting on the plane.
Ah, so now boarding means it's time to go.
Exactly. Let's show our boarding passes and go.
Gate staff. Boarding passes, please.
Here they are.
Thank you. Have a safe flight. Thank you.
Wow, London, we made it.
Yes. But what is this line?
This is customs. They check passports and ask questions like, why are you visiting?
Oh, customs is for security and travel control.
Exactly. Be polite and answer simply.
Customs officer. Hello. What's the purpose of your visit? I'm here for vacation.
And I'm visiting friends.
Customs officer. Welcome to London. Thank you.
See? Easy. Just be calm, friendly, and honest. Let's review the important new words from our airport adventure. Number 1. Airport. The big place where planes arrive and depart.
Number 2. Luggage. Your travel bags and suitcases.
Number 3. Check-in, where you get your boarding pass and give your luggage.
Number 4. Boarding pass. The paper or ticket that lets you get on the plane.
Number 5. Gate. The place where passengers wait to board the plane.
Number 6. Security check. The place where they check your bags and body for safety.
Number 7. Passport. The small book that shows your identity and nationality.
Number 8. Customs, where officers check travelers and ask questions after arrival.
Number 9. Flight. Your trip on an airplane.
And number 10. Departure, when your plane leaves.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I have my boarding pass.
Good. Now say, my flight is on time.
Perfect. You sound like real travelers.
Yes. Soon you'll fly around the world in English.
Daniel, what did you learn today?
I learned that traveling is not just about planes and tickets, it's about smiling, helping others, and learning something new every time.
Oh, that's true. Friends, traveling teaches us kindness and patience.
And English helps you connect with people everywhere.
Yes, when you speak English, you can make friends in every airport, every country, every heart.
So don't be afraid to speak. Even small English is beautiful English.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep flying, and keep smiling.
Thank you everyone for watching Mr. English Channel today.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk at the airport.
Now tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel one day?
Yes, write your answer in English. We'll read and reply.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your English learning buddies.
Until next time, safe travels and happy English learning.
Bye everyone!
Bye-bye, airplane.